The three types of people. A teacher shows three toys to a student and asks the student to find out the differences. All the three toys are seen to be identical in their shape, size, and material. After keen observation, the student observes holes in the toys. First toy, it has holes in the ears. Second toy has holes in ear and mouth. Third toy has only one hole in one ear. Then, with the help of needle, the student puts the needle in the ear hole of first toy. The needle comes out from the other ear. In the second toy, when the needle was put in ear, the needle came out of mouth. And in the third toy, when the needle was put in, the needle did not come out. First toy represents those people around you who gives an impression that they are listening to you, all your things and care for you, but they just pretend to do so. After listening, as the needle comes out from the next ear, the things you say to them by counting on them are gone. So be careful while you are speaking to these type of people around you who does not care for you. Second toy represents those people who listens to you all your things and gives an impression that they care for you. But as in the toy, the needle comes out from mouth. These people will use your things and the words you tell them against you by telling it to others and bringing out the confidential issues for their own purpose. Third toy, the needle does not come out from it. These kinds of people will keep the trust you have in them. They are the ones who you can count on. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like it. See you the next one.